So there's a quick and easy way to add a page to your Canvas course that has the study abroad information in it. For this, we're going to add an iframe so that we can embed the Google Doc straight into a page so that any updates that are made to that Google Doc, it will come over to your page without you having to go back in and make any changes. So to add that page with the Google Doc iframe and embed code, I'm going to go to my modules tab and I'm just going to click plus. And I'm going to create a new page, add page, create page, and I'm going to call this study abroad information. Click add item. Now I'm going to click on that study abroad page that I just created, and I'm going to go in and edit it. And this is where I can go in and put that iframe in and embed this Google Doc right into my page. So I'm going to go down here to my HTML editor right here. And I'm going to go and get that embed code. I know the iframe embed code I have on a separate document right here. I'm just going to copy this embed code. Right click, copy. Come back to my course and I'm just going to paste that embed code right within my HTML editor. Click save and publish. And now that study abroad up-to-date information is right within my page and I can put that wherever I want into my course. And like I said previously, any changes that are made to this document will be done and will be updated in your course without you having to do any additional steps. All right, and there you go. Now that study abroad page is now in my course. Thank you.